Are you looking for the perfect baby shower gift or a stunning centerpiece? Well, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to make a diaper cake for a baby girl. This adorable DIY is budget friendly, easy to customize, and completely practical for new parents. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to Susie's Unique Designs. I know this looks like a hot mess right now, but it's going to be a fun project. We are going to be making a diaper cake today. I'm so excited. I hope you'll join me. I will list the supplies in the description. The first thing that we have to do is figure out our base. Now, I found these cake boards. There's 3 cake boards in here. These I found at Walmart. This is called a charger plate, and I found this at Hobby Lobby. And then I also found this pretty round tray at Hobby Lobby in the party section. So I'm going to open this up. Okay. So this, I like this a lot, but it's not super strong. And as we put stuff on like with our diapers and stuff, it gets a little bit heavier. So I was thinking of putting it like this, but then I thought, well, we need something underneath, I think, to support it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these, and you could just take a piece of round, you could just cut a piece of cardboard out that's round, that matches this part of the plate, maybe a little bit over, and then just glue it on the bottom. And these are just cardboard, I believe, as well. In the cake decorating section at Walmart. For this one here. Okay, so I'm going to turn my glue gun on, and then we'll glue this on and we'll get started. Okay, because that will make that sturdier. Okay, so I just glued this on with a little bit of hot glue, and that's it. So we can set this aside now. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to take our diapers here that we have. I would suggest to get either size 1 or 2, or 3, I guess you could do if you wanted. But you need a large box, because like that has either like 96 diapers or maybe 100 or something in it. And I just pulled a few out because I'll show you what we're going to do now. You can either get, I think I got these maybe at Walmart in a pack of the little rubber bands. Or you can go, I think these might have came, these are just clear rubber bands, probably from maybe Walmart or Dollar Tree or wherever, I'm not sure, but looks like there's a few different sizes. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a diaper and we're just gonna roll it up like this. Okay, and then we're just gonna put a rubber band around it like this. So just like that, just like in the middle of it. Okay, and we're just gonna do a bunch of these, and that's how, like I would say you need to do about 25 to 30 just on the bottom. So I'm gonna do a bunch of these. Again, all I'm doing is, I guess you could probably roll it up like this actually. Maybe this is nicer. Okay, so let's roll it up like that. And then we'll go here and just put it right in the middle. Just like that. That looks better. Okay. So these are size 2 that I got. just get it, like I said, right in the middle like that. Okay? Now I'm going to do a bunch of these, and then I will come back and we'll do our next step. Okay, friends, so I glued the cardboard on the bottom there with the hot glue that we got from Walmart. And then I took the core that's like the empty part from the Deco Mesh. So this one's from a 21 inch. So next I'm going to take a regular rubber band and see how... That one didn't work very well. So you want a bigger one. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's try this and see what happens. So we're going to take, and we'll just put this like this on here. And we're going to... So I'm going to untie that. Well, I'll just take these out like this. So I was going to just tie them and put them on here, but I think we're going to try it this way and see. So we're just going to put this in here. Yeah, my hot glue is dry, so we'll just put this in here with this side facing inward. Okay, you guys can see that okay, right? Let's see. And I'll let you know how many we use at the end. So let's see here. Okay. So I added like 5 of these together at a time with ribbon. All I did is I individually, I used some of the clear rubber bands, and I would suggest, you know, just take your time and do these. Put some lotion on, moisturize or something, because it's kind of rough on the fingers. So then after I tied them all together like this, then I used just some regular ribbon and tied 5 of them together at a time. So let's do this. Let's add these around like this. Okay. Add some more in here. We want it to be nice and full. Okay. Let's see here. Let's get a little bit more in here. Well, let's see. We're gonna wrap a big ribbon around here on the end. So we'll add a ribbon. Let's see here. I'll put another one there. We want this to be nice and full. And let's see, that looks pretty good. Maybe we'll just add one more here. Okay, so that looks full. Actually, we gotta have another one there. Okay. One more here. Okay, that looks good for the first layer. And I'll count them here. Guess we need a couple more over there. Let's see here. We'll put another one right here. Like I said, we're going to use a ribbon to tie this all together so it doesn't fall. Okay. Okay, so we have this row. I'm just going to put the rubber band around here. Try to get a bigger one here if we can. We'll see how this one works here. So we'll just get it started here again. Okay, so we have that. Okay, friends, so now that we got everything, all three of our layers on here, we can start decorating. Now, this is totally up to you and what your customer wants or what you want. A lot of times I'll go to Hobby Lobby, or you can go to the Dollar Tree, wherever you want, and go get some like little party favors, because these are fun, like little rattles. I usually get some kind of a stuffed animal that I can put on the top, and just kind of whatever your preference is. Sometimes I'll get like a little rubber ducky, and get like some washcloths and stuff. I usually get a couple little bottles that are real, like little baby ones. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use just the double stick tape on here, because we want them, the parents, to be able to use these diapers, so we don't want to use any hot glue. So I just added ribbon around here to hold the diapers, the outside layers in. This one just has the rubber band on it. I'm gonna show you what I got here. This is so adorable. I happen to have this. It's just a little baby tutu. It's so cute, just elastic. And I thought I would put it on this layer, this top layer. It's so cute. And then I have a little bunny that'll sit up there. And also some like, so this tube is kind of nice. So we can put like this flower in there. And then I have the words baby spelled out that I might put in the front. And I might have to use a few zip ties, you know, to attach to the diaper or to this center cardboard piece that we used. But mostly, and then I got some little baby socks and some other florals that I might use. I might use some of these pretty pink roses. These are really pretty. So it's kind of whatever your preference is, what you want to do. And then when I'm all done decorating it, then I have some Tulle, T-U-L, let's see, it's T-U-L-L-E, Tulle. And you can find this at Hobby Lobby. And it's just a pretty pink. So I have 2 rolls of that. And we'll wrap the cake with the Tulle all the way around, and then we'll put a bow on the outside of it as well. I found a little garland. This one's kind of cute as well. I might use that, I'm not sure yet. It's just like a little Easter, kind of like an Easter garland, so there's that. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add some decorations, and then I will come back. I also made this cute little cup. It's super adorable. It says, Mama, Mama, Mama. So fun. Okay, so I'm gonna start decorating with this, and then I will be back. Okay, friends, so it's all done, and I'm gonna just turn it like this. I have it on a little Lazy Susan, just so I could design and kind of move it around. It makes it a lot easier. This is a real personal preference, what you want to do. I think it turned out really good. You just add lots of pretty things. Now what I'm going to do, I just wanted to show you this, and then I'll show you a front-facing view. I think she turned out really cute. So this is the front. The lighting might be a little off right now, but it says baby. It's a girl. It's a girl, and it has a little bunny. And so I just found, like I said, you know, different party favors and different things at Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree and at Walmart and at Target. So I think it turned out really cute. I'll put the total amount of all of the diapers that I did for each layer in the description. But don't you think this turned out good? Now what I'm going to do is put some tulle around all, like from the bottom, and bring it all the way up to the top. And then I'm going to make a bow. I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know if you'd call it like a snowdrift mesh, or I'm not really sure, but we got it all tucked in there under the plate and everything. I'm just turning it around and around so you guys can see. I'm going to have some of the tulle on the inside. And just some flowers and different things. So I think it turned out really cute. I hope she loves it. I just wanted to come on and say that this plate that I used, the base is about 15 inches wide.